Join me on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of the internet as I unveil the absolute best gadgets and devices that will redefine your tech game. Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 may sound like something out of a blockbuster, but it's actually a top-notch shark repellent. Its versatility is unmatched, making it ideal for various water activities like kayaking and snorkeling. Equipped with a range of about 6 meters and a battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge, this device is your dependable companion in the water. However, it's essential to note that its maximum working depth is 50 meters. Designed to target a shark's special sensory organ, the ampullae of Lorenzini, the Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 is highly effective against sharks while remaining harmless to other marine life. Now that's what I call shark smart. So, is the Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 worth its $414 price tag? That's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, when it comes to water safety, this is your new best friend. We're diving into the world of spear guns with the Pathos Laser Evo. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned hunter, this spear gun has something special in store for you. Pathos Laser Evo may seem like it's just for beginners, but trust me, it's a game changer for experienced hunters too. Here's why. First off, the creators have introduced the new D'Angelo 2 grip, featuring a longer stock for enhanced comfort during those long underwater hunts. Plus, the trigger mechanism is smoother than ever, making your shots more precise and effortless. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Laser Evo comes in lengths starting at 50 centimeters, giving you options to suit your hunting style. And with its excellent hydrodynamics, even fast targets won't stand a chance. Now at $187, the Pathos Laser Evo may seem like a curious investment, but trust me, it's worth every penny for the adventure and precision it brings to your underwater hunts. The Snorkel tank is your ticket to underwater exploration, allowing anyone to breathe underwater for up to 10 minutes. It's the perfect option for those curious about scuba diving without wanting to invest heavily in equipment. Using the Snorkel is a breeze. You can easily pump air into it using a hand pump, making it convenient and accessible for everyone. Plus, its compact design allows you to hold it with your teeth, leaving your hands free to explore the underwater world. For beginners, it's recommended to use the Snorkel at depths of no more than 3 meters and a maximum of 5 times a day. Safety first, folks. And guess what? The success of the Snorkel concept has led to the release of the Snorkel 2.0. The main innovation? An included compressor that can operate using 1 or 2 18-volt batteries if needed. Talk about convenience! Imagine a hybrid between a mask and 2 electronic modules, and you've got awesome. This smart mask is the brainchild of its creators and is designed to revolutionize the free diving experience. One module tracks essential data like light depth, ascending and descending speed, while the other measures oxygen levels, heart rate, and even head tilt. What's more, Oxum communicates all this information to the diver using bone conduction technology, making it the first smart mask on the market to do so. Through a smartphone app, users can customize their diving experience by selecting which data Oxum communicates and even choose operation modes like receiving updates every 15 seconds. Talk about customization! And the best part? You can be one of the first to experience Oxum by backing it on Kickstarter for just $540. Trust me, it's worth every penny for the ultimate diving experience. Picture this, the Orion platform shining bright underwater. At its core is the DPX ORION Shield Case, a revolutionary component that allows you to take your tablet to depths of up to 60 meters. Talk about convenience, am I right? But wait, there's more. The Orion platform comes equipped with a special DPX3 dagger stylus, perfect for putting your tablet into action underwater. And here's the best part. The creators of Orion are open to collaborating with third-party hardware and software manufacturers. The platform is already compatible with wired and wireless solutions that simplify tasks like monitoring breathing and heartbeat, aiding in 3D modeling, and collecting data on water temperature and pressure. It's a game changer for underwater research and exploration. The case for tablets up to 11 inches costs $249, making it accessible for adventures of all levels. Introducing eStar, the world's first portable electronic shark repellent. Weighing in at just 250 grams, this device is a game changer for ocean lovers. But how does it work? Let's delve into the details. eStar is effective at depths of up to 100 meters and operates for up to 2 hours on a single charge. By generating an electromagnetic field in a space measuring 2.5 by 1 meter, it causes muscle spasms in any shark that ventures too close. Talk about innovative shark defense. Whether you're a seasoned diver or just curious about underwater adventures, eStar offers peace of mind in shark-infested waters. You can try out eStar for yourself for just $300. The Subwing is a nifty contraption consisting of 2 movable wings attached to a boat by cable. Sounds simple, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. Its design is ingeniously clever. With the Subwing, you can effortlessly rotate around your axis, feeling as agile as a fish, even with a scuba tank on your back. And here's the best part. Its maneuverability remains unaffected, giving you complete control underwater. Plus, there's a special rope designed for a comfortable one-handed grip, perfect for capturing those epic underwater selfies. With an optional speed of up to 7.4 kilometers per hour, capturing the moment is an absolute breeze. Whether you're gliding through coral reefs or exploring underwater caves, the Subwing promises unforgettable adventures. First off, check out the length of those gloves. They're designed to conveniently tuck under your wetsuit, giving you that extra coverage you need. With Darkfin Durafin gloves, it's like your palms have grown by 70%. Talk about impressive! But wait, there's more. Compared to the previous model, these gloves are more durable and offer more improved thermal insulation. That means they're perfect for those long spearfishing trips or chilly kayaking adventures. The key innovation? An additional third micro-layer of latex with cotton fiber, enhancing comfort even in colder waters. With Darkfin Durafin gloves, you'll be ready to tackle any aquatic adventure with ease. And the best part? You can snag a pair for just $37. Welcome to the underwater tour. And guess what? No diving skills required. Whether you're 8 or over 80, this tour is accessible to all. You'll literally walk underwater in breathtaking locations worldwide, from the Bahamas to the Philippines. And the best part? No diving experience needed. Picture this, a 25-minute journey that leaves lasting impressions. Yep, that's what the underwater tour offers. And don't worry about capturing those memorable moments. Photography and video recording are often allowed. Professional operators are available upon request to ensure your adventure is smooth sailing. And with SeaTrek helmets, safety is paramount. These helmets provide 3 times more air than usual and equalize pressure to prevent accidents. Plus, SeaTrek helmets are designed for maximum comfort. You can pinch your nose and unclog your ears just like on a plane or in a swimming pool. And guess what? Your head stays dry, so there's no need to remove your glasses or contacts. Meet the MagicJet, where compactness meets power. This battery-operated underwater scooter weighs just 3.6 kilograms, making it super easy to handle with just one hand. And get this, it lets you zoom through the depths at an impressive speed of 1.8 meters per second. With a full charge lasting a whopping 100 minutes, the MagicJet ensures you have extended underwater adventures without interruptions. Plus, its positive buoyancy means it won't sink if it accidentally slips from your grasp. Talk about peace of mind. Dive deeper than ever before with the MagicJet, reaching depths of up to 50 meters. And for double the fun, you can even combine 2 scooters for an unforgettable underwater experience. And here's the deal, quality comes at a price. A single MagicJet scooter costs $800. Are you ready to take your underwater adventures to new heights?